Today we are up in Southwest Las Vegas to take a look at a house that is currently listed for sale. I'm going to let you know if this would make a good investment or not. This house is listed at $740,000. It is a single-story house. It's just under 3,000 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, plus a den, and it also has a next-gen suite with a private entrance. The average rents for similar single-story houses in this area rent for around $3,600 to $4,000 a month. The average number of days on market to rent it out is about 26 days. Now, let's take a look at the monthly cost of you owning this property. The HOA is $143 a month. The property taxes are just under $6,200 a year. So your cost to own this home annually is about $7,835. So if you were to buy this house and put it as a rental, your gross income would be about $43,000 a year. After we subtract your expenses, that's about $36K a year, and with about $3,000 a month net for you, and it will yield you an average return on investment of 4.8%. So the benefits of this house as an investment is the location. Definitely, it is in the southwest part of Las Vegas, near Tropicana and the 215, so it has great freeway access, close to shopping, and lots of things to offer. You can even take surface streets to the Strip, which is a plus for many. This is newer, built in 2022. It is a single story, and let's not forget about the next gen suite in case you need to move in your parents or your kid, or just have an extra private suite. Some people might rent it out. They might live in it and rent out the whole house themselves even, who knows? But this is a booming area. The location is great. I think it will have great appreciation as it sits near high-end communities such as Spanish Trails or Granada Hills. The den can actually be turned into a bedroom as well too if you need more bedrooms. So you can purchase it to live in, to rent it out. What would you do? Let me know. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'm Jim. I'm a seasoned investor and real estate agent here in Las Vegas with multiple investments across the city. I am passionate about helping others get into the investing game, and whether it's finding your first property or expanding your portfolio, I'm here to help. That's why I showcase different houses on my channel every week, analyzing their potential as investments. So if you're ready to start talking about what you should be doing to turn real estate into a form of passive income, reach out to me and be sure to stay tuned for more tours. See you guys on the next one.